Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in for another video of What's My Secret of Transforming Waste 36 to 30 series. For those who don't know me, my name is Max and I'm just an average guy who is on a mission to become the best version of myself through constant learning and practice it in real life. I got some success transforming my life, physiques, and health through learning and adjust some of my habits through making small and consistent changes. If this is a topic that interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and smash the like button so I know my content is being helpful. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of reviewing your current lifestyle. And that is the second out of the 5 focus points that I focused my mind on in my journey. If you have not yet watched my previous videos, I will make sure to link it down below. So why is reviewing your current lifestyle important? I believe it's simply to create awareness to your current situation. We typically live our life on autopilot. That's why you don't think about when you should be eating, when you should be showering, or when you should go to bed. Being on autopilot, it can be a good thing because it limits the amount of attention power that you need to output to complete a task. Most people have limited amount of attention span in a day, so you should choose where you use your attention span wisely. People who are successful simply use ways to leverage their time and they focus on the right thing that matters to them the most. There are articles online saying a typical human being can only have 3 to 4 hours of complete focus in a day. And it depends on how you train yourself, the amount of consecutive focus that you get, it varies. But on average, it's probably about 15 minutes at a time. Therefore, being on autopilot can also be harmful if you are trying to achieve a goal because you are where you are due to that autopilot behavior, unless we make a point of changing that autopilot programming. When you are in autopilot mode, people typically do not pay as much attention to the particular action that they are performing. It's kind of like when you're driving, you typically don't focus on the action of braking. Your body automatically do that action for you. Here, I would like to bring 80-20 rules to the mix, or the Pareto Principle. To oversimplify this rule, it basically said roughly 80% of the effect is due to the 20% of the cost. This means if we focus on getting that 20% right, and that became the new autopilot programming, we can slowly but surely achieve our goal. In order to figure out what is the contributing 20%, we need to review our current lifestyle. What I did to accomplish this focus point is to jot down all my daily activity for 1 week. For people whose schedule is a little bit all over the place, it's okay, but just do the best you can. Like I said before, the main goal is to bring awareness to your life. I have created a simple template and I will link it down in the description below. So your action item for this week is to write down all your daily activities for your typical week with the amount of hours that you spend on it and label it with the priority levels, 5 to 1. 5, very important, your livelihood depends on it. 4, it's important, it will benefit you in the future growth. 3, it's something that you have to do but not important to personal growth. 2, something have a choice to do or not to do based on how I feel. 1, not important at all and not beneficial to me. In my template, I will do an example so you can reference it under the reference tab. After you have accomplished this action item, we will use this action item and the one previous to come up with a game plan that leverage 80-20 rules principles. So make sure you stay tuned for my future videos. I got some people ask me to do some videos on the diet and exercise part of my journey. I will make sure to add that to my list of content to create in the future. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. And to remember to smash the like button. Leave a comment down below for any feedback, encouragement, or what would you like to see in the future videos. It will be greatly appreciated. You can also message me offline if you need any assistance from me and I will do my best to help. So until next time, peace.